What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly free traffic strategy I personally used to generate $22,000. Now you can see on the screen right here that income came in with very little work, just using the exact method I'm about to reveal to you. So what I'm going to do is hop on my computer and share with you over the shoulder, step by simple step, so by the end of the video you can go out there and start to create the results you truly want. So without further ado, let me hop on my computer and let's get started. Okay, so the first step is we need to find a product to promote. Now you can find products in many different places. One place is ClickBank. You just go to this top tab under Marketplace, and on the left side you can see many different niches of products you can actually choose. Now for this video, I'm going to click health and fitness, and I can go ahead and choose a product. Now for this specific method, I recommend you choosing a more high ticket product. Okay, so anything that pays you about $150 or higher is going to give you the best results. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to promote in this video the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Now the next step is we want to go to YouTube, and we want to go to this search bar and we want to type in how to, followed by a few words that have to do with your niche. Okay, so for my example, it's lose weight. Okay, so I could say how to lose weight, and you're going to notice that YouTube is going to drop down all these different search phrases that real people are searching in. Now this is very important because what we're going to do is we're going to use these keywords. We're going to use this to get massive free traffic, and you'll see as you keep following me. Okay, so what I would do is I would actually open up a notepad and I would write down some of these keywords into that notepad and save it, because we're going to need that in a second. Okay, now the next step is what we're going to do is go to a site called obsproject.com. Now this allows you to download a free software called OBS Studio. Okay, you can do it if you have a Windows, a Mac. Now what's going to happen is when you download that software, it's going to look something like this. Okay, and you can actually record your screen. Now don't worry, you're not going to have to put your face out there if you don't want to. You're not going to have to, let anyone know who you are. This is totally anonymous. If you want it to be, you can also put your face out there. But what you're going to do is you're going to download this software, and we're going to record our screen doing something very specific to get massive free traffic. So what you want to do, okay, is you want to take one of these titles. Okay, so let's say, for example, how to lose weight in a week. Okay, I know real people are searching this on YouTube, right? Real people are actually looking for answers to this keyword. So what I want to do is I want to go to Google and I want to type this exact keyword in, how to lose weight in a week. Okay, so if I go to Google and I type that in and search it, what's going to happen is articles are going to appear that answer this question, that give you the answer. And what you want to do is you want to open up one of these. Okay, for example, this one. And we want to just briefly and quickly, it takes no more than 5 minutes, look over this and kind of summarize in your own words what they're recommending, what they're saying as the solution. Okay, so this says follow a low carb diet. Okay, so I can just take, let's say, 5 of these. Okay, and I'll paste it in a notepad to remember this for later. Okay, because this is going to come in handy as you see in just a second. Let's say I just want to do maybe the top 5. Okay, they listed 11. I would just take 5 of these. Okay, and this is going to be very relevant in just a second, so keep watching. Okay, so boom, I take 5 of these. To use OBS Studio, I want to open up this software and I want to record my screen sharing those tips. Okay, now on the actual screen you can show an image, you can open up a video and play that. Again, you can show yourself, but you just want to teach and explain these tips. Okay, put it in your own words. You can just list them. Okay, you can say at the beginning of the video, hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to lose weight in a week. Okay, and then you just read out those different tips. Now, at the end of the video, it's very important. What you want to do is give a call to action. This is how we're going to get free traffic. So what you can say, if you want people to go to this specific product, you can say at the end of your video, so if you enjoyed learning these top 5 tips to lose weight in a week, be sure to click the first link down below this video so you can check out my #1 way to lose weight fast. Okay, so you would just give a call to action. You would tell them to click the link below if they want to learn more. Okay, and we're going to link them to our affiliate link. So what you want to do is you want to get your affiliate link. Okay, so no matter what you're using, let's say ClickBank, you would click promote, generate hop links, and then you would save this. Okay, this is my specific affiliate link, and that would be your specific affiliate link if you have your account nickname and if you're using ClickBank. Now, once we have our affiliate link, I highly recommend you go to a site called tinyurl.com, okay, and you want to paste that affiliate link and click make tiny URL. This is going to actually shorten your affiliate link and make it look much more attractive so more people want to click it. So this is it right here. Okay, so I can copy this link, and then what I want to do is I want to actually create a YouTube channel, okay, similar to this in whatever niche my product is in, and I want to start posting those videos, okay, simply just answering, again, the keywords that we found here. Okay, and you can write different variations, health and fitness tips. You can add, different letters to show different combinations of keywords. These are all topics of videos you can do by searching answers in Google, putting it in your own words, and then posting it to a channel. And then once you post that video, you just want to, down below the video in the description, okay, in this box, which you can actually add stuff to when you upload a new video, you want to put in your shortened affiliate link. We want to take our tiny URL and we want to put it in the top of our description. So then in the video, when we tell people at the end, click the link below to learn more, they'll go down there, they'll click it, okay, and they'll start to learn more. There we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value. If you did and you want me to make more videos like this, click the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe, hitting the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, look, this method works incredibly well if you're promoting something that is actually high converting and high paying. If you want to discover the exact affiliate system I personally use and recommend, click the first link below in the description and you can see a free overview video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.